Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Rare video here today, folks. We've got not just one, but two TMG Volunteers in stock, ready to go. One on casters right here, as you see it, $44.99, guys. For 4,500 bucks, you can have one of the baddest traditional flow smokers in the world. You can take it home with you. We also have one on an off-road package, about 6,100 bucks. Gets you that one. Let's check this bad girl out. Now, there are a couple things that set the TMG Volunteer apart from the rest. First off, is just being the size of this bad boy. I'm talking 52 inches long, 27.5 inches deep, 1/4 inch steel on the main chamber. You got top and bottom sliding trays. We have fit 11 briskets in this bad boy, believe it or not. Had to do a little rotating, but hey, if you ain't rotating, you ain't smoking, baby. All right? So, very big smoker here, about 130 gallons. We do have a water pan tray off to the side here. Set your water pan there instead of taking up that valuable cooking room we have here. Do have two TMG Pits Tell True thermometers on there. Fold down front shelf here. Folds down out of the way. Locks back up in place. Got your paper towel utensil holder in there as well. Speaking of folding, fold down stack. Standard with every TMG Volunteer. One wing nut, pop it out. Fold it down, boom, you're ready to go. All right, onto the firebox where the magic happens. This is a 3/8 thick firebox. You get an extra thick firebox on the Volunteer. X-brace on the door. D-ring tie 9 points all the way around. This is one hell of a smoker right here, folks. I'll tell you what. Standard on casters, like you see here. Like I said, we do have an off-road package available as well. Hey, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.